Hi everyone, it's Nancy at Simping and Painting Hampden. Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's easiest easel using two things. One, a roll of tape. Two, a pizza box. That's it. We're going to make an easel. And the reason I love pizza boxes, this is a large pizza box, is because you can put your paints, a canvas, napkins, brushes, you can put it all in one box and then it's ready to go. So here's how we're going to make an easel out of a pizza box. All you do is you open up your pizza box, you turn it inside out like so, and then you set it down like that. So this is the strongest lip of the pizza box. The other side is kind of weak. And then you take off a piece of tape, about a foot long, maybe 14 inches, something like that, about a foot long. And then you tape the sides of the pizza box, like, I didn't even need that much tape, really, like that. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. This could not be easier. Tape, tape, boom, you've got an easel. And you can put your little painting, your canvas in there. This is, I believe, a 12 by 16. You can put in a 16 by 20 even in a large pizza box. That's a 16 by 20 in a large pizza box. It's pre-sketched. So it goes the vertical way. Now this isn't a large pizza box. They also sell small, medium, extra large. So if you have a 16 by 20, you might want to look into the extra large if it's a horizontal painting, but if it's vertical, no problem. It's going to fit just fine. And let's see. So 12 by 16 fits vertically and horizontally. And I can paint with a piece of wood. Not so well that way, although I could lean it. But basically, a small to medium canvas will work fantastic in your very inexpensive or free pizza box easel. And the best part about your pizza box easel, besides the fact that it's free, just save it from the last pizza you got, is that you can, if you're not finished with your painting, put it back in the box, close the lid, and it protects your painting until you come back to finish. All right, thank you so much. And I hope you'll check out some of our other videos on this channel and paint with us. We'd love for you to paint with us. Take care, thanks, bye-bye.